Well, I'm Babli Yadav. I'm from Daryapur, Azamgarh. Today, I'm very excited and I'm very glad because I have a chance to express something in front of you. And first of all, I would like to thanks Mukesh sir for giving me this great chance. So today, I would like to talk to you about farmer. Do you know what is the life of farmer and what do they do in their life? Farmer live their life in a very simple way and they work hard and grow grains in the field despite the harsh sun, strong storm and rains, etc. Whether the people are poor or rich across the country, but everyone depends on the farmer. Because if farmer stop farming, and they will not get grain and they will starve to death. The work of farmer are very important, the piece of the wealth.
Today I'm very excited and very happy for this because it's a final speech competition day. So today the name of my topic is a business and a job. So dear friends, today I'm gonna talk about my topic. Please tell me guys, which work should we do, business or job? Why should we do business? Because business is a way where we can change our dreams into reality. So dear friend, if you will do business, then you will have a lot of money. And you can also earn money from job, but in limits. Firstly you have should many degrees. After that you can take job. Otherwise you can't take job in any companies. But for business, you can start any business anywhere, any place without degrees, and you can earn much money on daily. But you can't earn much money on daily from job. Firstly, you will have to do work. After that, you will have to say to your manager, sir, please give me my payments. I have a very immediately work. After that, you can take your payments on monthly, not daily. It's a right. First for we have to invest money in our business, but after that we will earn money. We will earn more money from business. Dear friends, business is a not just a means of making money. Business is a way where we can change our ideas into reality, and we can make better our community by doing business. I know we have to face off many challenges for running business, but we should never fear from challenges because every challenges presents a new golden opportunity for us. So my dear friends, if you want to start any business, so before this you will have to take ideas and you will have to do hard work, because after that you can start your business, because without hard work, without ideas, you can never run your business. And that's why we should do always
Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Yes. Having a beautiful mind to my respected teacher. Good morning. A beautiful lovely morning to all of you. Good morning. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Most welcome. And thank you so much, guys, for sitting here. Well, this is Subham here on the stage before you. Now I'm gonna describe success. Do you know, guys, what is success? What is importance of success? How to get success in our life? If I talk about what is success, success is a life, success is a confidence, success is a happiness, success is a everything in your life, our life. Yeah, I want to talk about what is importance of success. If you have success, if you are anything in your life, for example, if you are doctor, engineer, teacher, businessman, whatever you are in your life, but if you have success, everyone will respect you, everyone will care you, everyone will support you, everyone will care you. But if you don't have success, nobody can care you, nobody can support you, nobody can help you. So how to get success? If you wanna get success in your life, you should do hard work in your life. But if you do hard work in your life, you can get success in your life. You can achieve anything in your
What's
life.
importance of money? Having a great morning, my dear teacher, and I wish you very fantastic morning, my dear friends. Well, it's speech competition today. I am very excited and happy because I have a golden chance to say something. First of all, I want to introduce myself. Well, my name is Anamika Rajbhar. In front of you, I am from Lasra Khurd, Azamgarh, and I have done 12th. In this time, I am doing BSc. I am going to talk about money. What is money? What is importance of money? Money is most important our life. Money is necessary part of our life. So do you know, guys, by money you can get anything. By money you can do anything. By money you can take admission good schools and colleges. By money you can run our family. By money you can do anything. Without money you cannot survive our life. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have money, you can support our family. If you have money, you can purchase anything like luxury car and big bungalow. If you have money, you can enjoy any festival and function with family. If you have money, you can achieve anything. So tell me, guys, do you want money? Yes. If you want money, you can take knowledge and do hard work. If you want money, you should start business and
गुमनामों
job.
के अंधेरे में था उस व्यक्ति ने मुझे इस काबिल बना दिया। गुमनामों के अंधेरे में था उस व्यक्ति ने मुझे इस काबिल बना दिया। कैसे करूं शुक्रिया उसका ऐ मेरे दोस्तों, कैसे करूं शुक्रिया उसका ऐ मेरे दोस्तों, गुरु ने मुझे इस काबिल बना दिया। Having a great morning to my respected teacher. Good morning. A lovely morning to my dear friends. Good morning. First of all, I introduce myself. Well, this is Siddharth in front of you. I want to say a beautiful topic. My topic name is teacher. What is a teacher? Teacher is most important in student life. Do you know, guys? Without a mother, we cannot come in this world. Same here. Without a teacher, we cannot get knowledge. So, to move you forward in your life, first, mother blessing and father support. It is most important to have knowledge of teacher. Without these three people, we cannot do anything. So, no matter how far we try, without a teacher, we cannot get knowledge.